Oh, that's holy shit.
Holy shit!
Whoa.
Are we able to survive?
Let's find out. See how far we can go. Gonna want our backs to the wind for sure.
Yeah, we should. I cannot see. Can you see?
I'm okay.
See where we are? How do you see?
So there's right here is probably what, about 2 inches of snow on the ground?
Probably.
But it's being blown, I think, yeah. See, this is what I was talking about, the drifts right here on your left. See how it piles up there?
Yeah, look at me. You warm enough?
Yep, let's keep moving though. Ooh, yeah, baby, that's cold. I don't even think they've plowed the street. I think that's just from the wind.
No, it is blown from the wind. Good thing it happens on Saturday. It will be closed anyway if it's cold on weekdays, right?
Yeah. I guess the station is closed. House of Pizza's closed. Yeah, that hurts the face.
Huh?
That hurts the face.
It is.
The snow blowing in. Do you want me to tie your hood closer together?
No, it's good. Oh my goodness. I cannot really see if you are going to face the direction of the air.
Yeah.
So we are the only one roaming around on the street.
Us in the snowplow.
On the snowplow. Oh my goodness.
Look at this up here. No snow in the middle one.
The snow is blown out over here.
No, we're not changing the camera. We're in the middle of a blizzard, dumbass. You're shrinking. You're getting smaller. All right, here we go. Come on, Goobsy. Posa the Explorer. Loves you, bye. Goobsy, hurry up. Come on, dumbass. Trees?
Go check the river.
Okay, we'll go out here and then we'll go back, yeah?
Yeah.
The wind's blowing the snow right off of the bridge.
Holy wow. Look at the river. Oh, this part here is not frozen yet.
It's almost frozen over there. It's only about maybe 25% not frozen. Can't even see the other bridge barely. That's got to be at least 50 miles an hour.
Oh my goodness. It's so windy over here, guys. I am almost carried by the wind. Oh my goodness. Oh my
goodness. Go, Posa the Explorer, go! Oh shit.
Oh, baby. It's amazing, right? This is amazing. The beauty of the snow. It can be hurtful. It can be hurtful sometimes.
Yeah, hurts the eyes and face.
Yeah. We are here in Maine. This is our situation at this moment. Today is Saturday, January 29, and this is the situation here in Lewiston, Maine. We are in below 25 degrees Celsius
Wind chill.
wind chill. I'm carried away. I'm carried away by the wind. Oh my goodness.
I think the winds must be 70 or 80 kilometers at least.
Oh jeez.
Turn your back to the wind, Gobes. Other way. Put your back towards me.
It's hard to face the direction of the air because your eyes is going to be filled up with snow.
That hurts. Look
And
at
it hurts, yes.
the... Oh shit, that hurts. Okay, hold on there, buddy. You gotta look. Hey,
Where are you?
you didn't even look for traffic.
Are we in the traffic?
Yes.
I gotta go! Oh my goodness!
Jesus. It's a good day to be inside drinking cocoa.
It's perfect moment.
So, Goobsy, how was your experience in your first blizzard?
That was amazing. That was amazing. The beauty is amazing, except it's not amazing when the snow is blowing through your eyes.